Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 3 of our Global English series. Today, we are leveling up with 100 powerful idioms and natural phrases used by native speakers. Whether you speak Chinese, French, Japanese, or any of the 11 languages featured today, this video is designed for you. Let's break the language barrier together. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. It's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. I'll be right there. I'll be right there. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. I'm not following you. I'm not following you. It's a long story. It's a long story. I'll take your word for it. I'll take your word for it. Don't overdo it. Don't overdo it. You've got a point there. You've got a point there. Suit yourself. Suit yourself. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. That's out of the question. That's out of the question. It's up in the air. It's up in the air. Give it a shot. Give it a shot. I can't help it. I can't help it. You're on the right track. You're on the right track. It's not my cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge a book by its cover. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted. It's a win-win situation. It's a win-win situation. You're getting warm. You're getting warm. I'm at your service. I'm at your service. Take it with a grain of salt. Take it with a grain of salt. It cost me an arm and a leg. It cost me an arm and a leg. Don't pull my leg. Don't pull my leg. I'm under the weather. I'm under the weather. The more the merrier. The more the merrier. Let bygones be bygones. Let bygones be bygones. I'm on the fence. I'm on the fence. It's a walk in the park. It's a walk in the park. Better safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. I've had enough. I've had enough. It's about time. It's about time. You can say that again. You can say that again. Don't hold your breath. Don't hold your breath. Keep your fingers crossed. Keep your fingers crossed. It rings a bell. It rings a bell. I'm tied up at the moment. I'm tied up at the moment. Cut to the chase. Cut to the chase. I'm in the same boat. I'm in the same boat. Don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush. Easier said than done. Easier said than done. It's the least I could do. It's the least I could do. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Pull yourself together. Pull yourself together. So far, so good. So far, so good. Speaking of the devil, speaking of the devil, that's the last straw. That's the last straw. Through thick and thin, through thick and thin, time is money. Time is money. To make a long story short, to make a long story short, break the ice. Break the ice. Under the sun. Under the sun. When pigs fly. when pigs fly. You reap what you sow. You reap what you sow. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Silence is golden. Silence is golden. Every dog has its day. Every dog has its day. Birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Like father, like son. Like father, like son. Action speaks louder than words. Action speaks louder than words. I'm over the moon. I'm over the moon. Back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board. Burn the midnight oil. Burn the midnight oil. Face the music. Face the music. Hit the books. Hit the books. Hit the hay. Hit the hay. In the nick of time. In the nick of time. Keep an eye on. Keep an eye on. Lose your touch. Lose your touch. Off the hook. Off the hook. On the ball. On the ball. Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon. Ring a bell. Ring a bell. Sit tight. Sit tight. Stab someone in the back. Stab someone in the back. Think outside the box. Think outside the box. Up in the air. Up in the air. What's eating you? What's eating you? You can't judge a book by its cover. You can't judge a book by its cover. Your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine. Keep your chin up. Keep your chin up. Be my guest. Be my guest. By all means, by all means, come on, come on. Don't be so sure. Don't be so sure. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Feel free. Feel free. Forget it. Forget it. How should I know? How should I know? I can't wait. I can't wait. I'll check it out. I'll check it out. It's up to you. It's up to you. Just kidding. Just kidding. Keep it up. Keep it up. Let me see. Let me see. No way. No way. Not a chance. Not a chance.
Fantastic, Job! You've just mastered 100 advanced English phrases. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to replay this video and practice every day. Which idiom was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss episode 4. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time. Goodbye.